Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Countless stars twinkle above us. They are scattered across the vast expanse of space. This breathtaking sight has captivated humanity for centuries. It is a source of wonder and inspiration. The universe is a place of mystery and beauty. It is filled with celestial objects that spark our curiosity. The stars have always held a special place in our hearts. Throughout history, different cultures have woven tales about them. They have created myths and legends to explain their existence. We have used them for navigation. We have also drawn inspiration from their beauty. The study of the stars allows us to understand our place in the cosmos. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, speaks about the wonders of creation. It highlights the magnificence of the heavens. It mentions stars and other celestial bodies in several verses. These verses offer profound insights. They encourage reflection on the power and majesty of God. By examining these verses, we can find a beautiful harmony. The Quran's teachings complement modern scientific discoveries. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars for guidance. Ancient civilizations relied on them for navigation. Stars acted as celestial maps. They allowed sailors to cross vast oceans. Traders used them to navigate deserts. The North Star, Polaris, played a crucial role. It helped to determine direction. It guided countless journeys across land and sea. Beyond their practical use, stars held deep cultural and spiritual significance. Many cultures associated constellations with myths and legends. They saw patterns in the stars. These patterns became the basis for stories about gods, heroes, and mythical creatures. The stars were not just points of light, they were seen as powerful entities influencing life on Earth. Ancient astronomers made remarkable observations. They tracked the movements of celestial objects. They developed complex calendars based on their observations. These early studies laid the groundwork for the development of astronomy. The pursuit of knowledge about the stars has been a constant throughout human history. The Quran recognizes the importance of stars for navigation. Allah says in Surah Al-An'am verse 97, "And it is He who made the stars as guides for you, that you may be guided thereby through the darknesses of the land and the sea." We have detailed the signs for a people who know. This verse highlights the practical use of stars as navigational aids. It also emphasizes the importance of knowledge and understanding in interpreting the signs of God. The Quran, revealed over 1,400 years ago, contains numerous verses that mention stars and celestial phenomena. These verses offer profound insights into the nature of the universe. They highlight the power and majesty of the Creator. Let's explore some of these verses and their interpretations. "And we have adorned the nearest heaven with lamps and have made from them what is thrown at the devils." Surah Al-Mulk, 67, verse 5. This verse mentions lamps in the sky, often interpreted as stars. It also alludes to stars being used as projectiles against devils. Some see it as a metaphorical reference to the protective aspect of the heavens. Others interpret it literally, suggesting stars ward off evil forces. Indeed, we have adorned the heaven of the world with lamps, i.e., stars, and have made some of them missiles for the devils. Surah As-Safat, 37 verses 6-10. This verse echoes the previous one, referring to stars as lamps and missiles. It emphasizes the awe-inspiring nature of the heavens. It suggests that even celestial bodies are subject to the will of God. The repeated mention of stars in these verses highlights their significance in the Quranic worldview. The Quran's descriptions of the universe align surprisingly well with modern astronomical discoveries. While the Quran is not a scientific textbook, it contains verses that resonate with scientific findings, demonstrating a remarkable harmony between faith and reason. For instance, the Quran describes the universe as being in a constant state of expansion, and the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander. Surah Ad-Dariyat 51 verse 47. This verse, revealed centuries before the discovery of the expanding universe, aligns perfectly with the Big Bang theory, which postulates that the universe originated from a single point and has been expanding ever since. This alignment between Quranic revelation and scientific discovery reinforces the idea that both faith and science can lead to a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Furthermore, the Quran describes the creation of the universe in stages. "Do not those who disbelieve know that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one united piece? Then we parted them, and we have made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe?" Surah Al-Anbiya 21 verse 30. This verse suggests a gradual process of creation, with the heavens and earth initially being one entity before separating. This aligns with the scientific understanding of the formation of the universe, where stars and galaxies formed gradually over billions of years from the primordial soup of particles created in the Big Bang. Modern astronomy has unveiled the fascinating life cycle of stars, from their birth in clouds of gas and dust to their eventual death, which can be as gentle as fading into darkness or as explosive as a supernova. The Quran also alludes to the creation of stars from cosmic material, stating, "Then he directed himself to the heaven while it was smoke and said to it and to the earth, 'Come into being,' willingly or by compulsion. They said, 'We have come willingly.'" Surah Fussilat, 41:11. This verse describes the heavens as initially being smoke, which can be interpreted as the clouds of interstellar gas and dust from which stars are born. These clouds, known as nebulae, provide the raw material for star formation. Gravity pulls the gas and dust together, causing the cloud to collapse and heat up. As the temperature and pressure increase, nuclear fusion ignites in the core, and a star is born. Stars spend most of their lives fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. This energy is what makes stars shine. The color and brightness of a star depend on its mass. Massive stars burn brighter and hotter, exhausting their fuel more quickly than their smaller counterparts. As a star nears the end of its life, it runs out of hydrogen fuel in its core. What happens next depends on the star's mass. Smaller stars, like our Sun, will expand into red giants, shedding their outer layers before contracting into white dwarfs, slowly cooling over billions of years. Massive stars, on the other hand, end their lives in spectacular explosions called supernovae, seeding the surrounding space with heavy elements that will eventually form new stars and planets. Section 6. Harmony in the Heavens, where faith and science converge. The Quran's description of celestial phenomena and the life cycle of stars, while not intended as scientific pronouncements, demonstrates a remarkable convergence with modern scientific understanding. This harmony between faith and science underscores the interconnectedness of knowledge. It highlights how different avenues of inquiry can lead to a deeper appreciation for the wonders of creation. The Quran encourages observation, reflection, and contemplation of the natural world as a means of recognizing the signs of God's existence and majesty. Science provides the tools and methods to study and understand these signs in greater detail. By embracing both faith and scientific inquiry, we can develop a more holistic and nuanced understanding of the universe and our place within it. The study of the stars, whether through the lens of faith or science, inspires awe and wonder. It reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the intricate workings of the universe. It challenges us to expand our horizons both intellectually and spiritually. Section 7. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Marvels, Reflections on the Cosmos. The Quran's verses about stars and the cosmos serve as a reminder that humanity has long been fascinated by the heavens. Ancient civilizations looked up at the same stars we see today, marveling at their beauty and pondering their mysteries. The Quran's teachings about the universe build upon this ancient sense of wonder, encouraging us to view the cosmos through a lens of both faith and reason. Today, modern astronomy has equipped us with powerful tools and technologies to study the universe in unprecedented detail. We can now peer deep into space, observing celestial objects billions of light years away. We have landed spacecraft on Mars, studied the rings of Saturn, and captured stunning images of distant galaxies. Yet, despite all our scientific advancements, the universe retains its sense of mystery and grandeur. The vastness of space and the complexity of celestial phenomena continue to humble us. They remind us of the limits of human understanding and the importance of remaining open to new discoveries. Section 8. Beyond the Horizon. Continuing the exploration of our universe. As we continue to explore the universe, we can draw inspiration from both the Quran's teachings and the latest scientific breakthroughs. The Quran encourages a spirit of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Science provides us with the means to quench that thirst, pushing the boundaries of human understanding further with each passing year. The study of the stars is a journey without end. Every new discovery raises more questions, urging us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. Whether we are motivated by faith, scientific curiosity, or a combination of both, The exploration of the universe promises to captivate and inspire humanity for generations to come. As we stand on the cusp of new discoveries, we can be filled with a sense of excitement and anticipation. What new wonders await us in the vast expanse of space? What new insights will we gain into the nature of the universe and our place within it? The journey of exploration continues, driven by the same sense of wonder and curiosity that has captivated humanity since the dawn of time. Section 9. A Call to Contemplation. Finding Meaning in the Stars. The next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the stars. Remember that these distant suns have inspired humanity for millennia, sparking our imaginations and guiding our footsteps. Reflect on the Quran's teachings about the cosmos, which encourage us to see the universe as a sign of God's power and majesty, and allow yourself to be filled with a sense of awe and gratitude for the privilege of witnessing the grandeur of creation. The study of the stars is not merely an academic pursuit, it is a deeply personal and spiritual experience. It connects us to something far greater than ourselves, reminding us of our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. By embracing both faith and scientific inquiry, we can deepen our understanding of the universe and find meaning in the celestial wonders that illuminate the night sky. So look up, observe, and contemplate. The universe awaits your exploration.